Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the NoiseFit Endure SpO2 Smartwatch. Let's check out the box and see what kind of information we can find right here. At the back, it says that this band has IP68 waterproofing and 28 days of battery life. The current variant is charcoal black in color. There is a lot of other information as well, but first let's open this box up. We're going to remove the top lid now. There you have it. You can see the smartwatch. It's inside this little groove. Notice that it has a pretty large display. Let's take it out gently. This is what the NoiseFit Endure SpO2 Smartwatch looks like. As mentioned earlier, the display is quite large for a fitness band. There's a stainless steel bezel around the dial that makes this watch look very stylish. The fused leather-silicone straps have rugged texture and look quite durable. Overall, the smartwatch looks rather sleek and lightweight. Let's keep the band to the side and look at what else is there in the box. We've got a charging cable, where on one side can be attached to any USB port, be it a laptop, a PC or a power brick. We get this very detailed quick startup guide which you should read at least once. And finally, there's a warranty registration card as well. And that's pretty much all that you'll find in the box. So thank you so much for watching.